Hello, my friend, and welcome back to another Sunday chat. If you are concerned about your grocery budget, then this video is for you. Grocery prices are something that are on my mind constantly and have been for quite a while now. You are not crazy. Grocery prices have gone up 32% since 2020, which is a lot to deal with for most household budgets. And I've just wanted to help. So many of you know that I put out a 28-day cheap eats meal plan where you have 28 days worth of dinner recipes for under $3 per serving. And that was great. People tested it, they loved it. And it really did come in under $3 per serving on average, even if you lived in all these different crazy places. I tested for all of that. But grocery prices have gone up a little bit since I created that plan a couple of years ago. So I decided to take another look at it. And I ended up kind of going overboard and creating another cheap eats meal plan that's even more optimized and costs even less than $3 per serving. So let me kind of walk you through my approach because I decided to approach this differently than some other things that you might see out there that claim a price per serving, because they'll do things, they'll cost recipes is what it's called, where they do it like they're doing restaurant cooking. So they use 20 cents of olive oil and 5 cents of garlic powder, but that's not how real families shop. So I decided to base it all off of a specific set of pantry staples and include the full cost of those items in the month and then the cost per serving broken down from there. So you may already have a bunch of the herbs and spices, but even if you're buying the entire bottle of olive oil, all brand new jars of spices, this is still going to cost you under $3 per serving. I also took more realistic approaches, like not wanting to repeat the same protein night after night, or the same starch, or the same vegetable. I wanted it to be complete meals, whether that's a one pot meal or a main dish with sides. The whole thing is complete and as nutritionally rounded as I could possibly do without being a registered dietitian. Um, and there's even tools on there to let you do like calendar scheduling so you know exactly what day you're going to eat everything. You can swap it around, you can mix and match meals, you can print shopping lists and see the nutrition information and all sorts of things. Honestly, test the tool. Let me know if there's any problems with it. If there's something you think would make it more helpful, let me know that too, because I truly just want to help. The stay-at-home chef has given me so much, and honestly, it's saved my life in more ways than one. Um, so being able to pay it forward and give back is something that I like just feel in my soul. And I mean, I was raised by a very specific set of moral rules. And one of those is that if you have something that someone else needs, you give it to them if you can. And I know that this is a need that so many people have right now. So I have a unique talent and ability and resources to be able to put this all together. So that's what I'm doing. It's all available for free. It will always be free. So share it with anyone that you think might need it. I'm truly just trying to help in a time where things are getting out of hand, but I just believe so much in having homemade meals at home and feeding yourself well and eating restaurant quality food that you can easily make at home. You know, that's my whole shtick. And it's been that way for what feels like forever now. So I will continue to try to help wherever I can. I will create more meal plans. I already have some more in the works because I believe in this and I just want to help you. You are my internet friends, and I'm just so glad you're here. I say it all the time. This is the honor and privilege of a lifetime. So, of course, I'm here for you. You need me. So, let's do this. I hope it helps. Let me know what you think.